Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to earn karma fast on Reddit. So first of all, of course, you would like to have a Reddit application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that and log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Reddit application, as you should, of course. And let's just wait until it loads. So of course that will be actually your home screen. Of course it depends on what you are actually following or subscribing to. You'll find here like the post or the daily post like you always find on Reddit. But how you can actually earn karma faster than usual. So take a look on the 10 best way to get karma on Reddit quickly. So first of all, you will need to ask and answer questions smartly. So this technique might seem straightforward to you, but it's actually useful. So maybe you will find here a post with like a question, or maybe you would like even to post a question. So make sure to ask or answer questions smartly. Second of all, make sure to go and start commenting on the new posts. So maybe if you find here like a post, you would like to go and add a comment, at least maybe just add an XD, or you can maybe add funny if it's a meme or anything. It's really up to you to add whatever you want. So that's actually the second way. So of course you would like to engage with the audience as well. So of course if there is some maybe an a post that like people are really talking about, you should like engage with them and start talking with them. Of course you would like also to join larger subreddits. You would like also to post some quality content. That actually is one of the most important way to earn karma fast, and you can also utilize karma bump to your advantage. Of course you'd like to control also your try to control virtual things, of course, and you would like to post at the right time. Of course that's the second most important thing. You would like to post at the right time so people actually can interact with your post, and that's how you actually get or earn karma fast on the Reddit application. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you actually like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.